fish I already had. That's a good fish too. Oh, look at the head on that. Look at the head on that. You know why you can't see me? Because number 5 is a slab. God damn. Got Charles on the phone telling me he contemplating. You better not contemplate too much longer. Because I just been throwing fish back. I done threw back 8 or so. Y'all done saw that. Man, some good quality fish. I was just finna move and give up on that pile. Not today. Let me get a picture of that so I can wait. Well, good morning, y'all. The winds are kicking a little bit out of the northeast. Not a bad wind. I'll be approaching the islands from the inside or the outside end, pretty much. I got a color I tied last night, pretty much all silver, but I think it's a little big, so switch it up a little bit. Start off with a color I was getting them on Lake Houston with. Only problem, it's got a little bit of pressure in the tail, so I'm gonna have to see if that pressure tail is gonna work, or will I be changing it. Guy on the bank over here catfishing. I hope I get a good camera angle and ain't too much noise first thing in the morning. Let's see what we can get in here and do, y'all. Hooked up fishing at Hard Hitter, Lake Conroe 1097 bridge. Hadn't been in a while, so stay tuned. I might have to run my light. See that right now. Bass boats flying through here. I'm gonna make quick work of this, look like. They hit that pressure tail right away, small fish. They're active first thing this morning. Look at that. Fish are great off of this bridge here, off of this lake, period. Really, really good eat here. One of the cleanest, freshest lakes anywhere around these parts. Get back with y'all when I get on the bigger fish. Good solid fish. They're active this morning. Need to be culling though. 25 is 25 today though. She wants me to make quick work of it. Legal fish. Go ahead and target bigger fish though. That wind's making it a little tough. Eating that color up as soon as I flip it in here. It in there, I'm not even having to use my live scope because they're that aggressive. And I got a nice little school of them holding in there, so sort of like easy picking if I get the right depth. Deep. Fish right there. small fish. Got it for the big one did. I gotta go target some bigger fish. Change colors right quick. Change colors. Change the outcome. Got a better fish. Some of the ties from last night. $11.25. Number 4. Oh, that fish I already had. That's a good fish. Oh, look at the head on that. Look at the head on that. You know why you can't see me? Because number 5 is a slab. God damn. Got Charles on the phone telling me he contemplating. You better not contemplate too much longer. Because I just been throwing fish back. I done threw back 8 or so. Y'all done saw that. Man, some good quality fish. I was just finna move and give up on that pile. Not today. Let me get a picture of that so I can wait. Get in there and bust these for sure. Man, I was up up at 4 o'clock this morning, already trying to get myself together to get down here. I wasn't playing. I knew I was coming. The wind was down. I ain't finna miss no Conroe this time of year. Not on this bridge. You can get your heart right here. You ain't gotta go nowhere. Be patient. They'll let you know what time it is quick right here. Too small. Too small. I need a big one. 5. You catching good too, right? You catching good too this morning? No cat? Man. Oh man. Pretty aggressive this morning. Pretty aggressive this morning. Limit out all on one pilot. They're all about 12 foot deep. I have no problem getting bit. What I do when I have a fish in there like that, that's 8 foot, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got a mark on my pole, a foot, shows me a foot of line, and I just watch on my live scope as my bait trickles down right up over their head, and I jig it up over the top of them, and they respond. Knocked the 5 over that 13. I didn't get to see it, but he knocked the 5 over. I see it now. He knocked the 5 over that 13. Bigger fish, maybe that's a catfish. Well, I was missing, my jig was tangled up. I'm ready to move on to another pilot now. I don't roll this one out. That gray I tied. One good thing. Probably missing bigger fish because I'm staying stuck on this one pilot. I'll go over to number 2. It may be 1 or 2 bigger fish left over here. Let me see. Like I got some here on 14. About 14. Hopefully they're aggressive. fish too. You just have to move. Sometimes you just have to move. He ate it, man. Big old football. See if I can pluck some of these. Careful with the brush pile over here. Looks like I see some fish at 15 right above it. I'm gonna try to target those first. Put it right on them, jig it a couple times, and they come out and pop. Got to provoke the bite this morning a little bit. But they're responding real good to that silver that I tied last night. Original silver that I used to fish come with. Real solid fish this morning, guys. Fish responding to that with all the white in the tail, a little bit bigger jig. You know why you can't see me? Because that's number 8, and that's a slab. Click the clicker. Thought I was going to limit out real quick, but I'm having to work a little bit, so that's good. I'm seeing how they're behaving. Have to single out fish to get them. See all that first this morning. Getting that thing faster than now I just now started trying to powder. And when I got over here to number 4, I hit one on this one that's got brush bars on it. Got to be careful on this. Hey, God, damn. Might have been a cat head, whatever it is. They up higher. Some big ones up higher. I can target fish now. Earlier, I didn't even have to target fish. All I had to do, look at the depth, flip the jig over there over the top of the school, and they were hammered. And as soon as they come through there, finesse fishing. Gotta finesse fish them out of there. But then some good ones. Big old butterballs. Lake Conroe butterballs. 11-inch fish. Click the clicker. I want you to pitch it out there, I know that. Ooh, you know why you can't see me? Because that's number 12. Nope, number 11 slab. That bait gone. Man. Eating that color up, man. Hard hit a hand tie. Box looking like a Conroe box already. 11 good ones in there. 11 good ones in there. Come through that about 13 foot deep, you're gonna get your feelings hurt. Yes, sir. Huh? Too rough. Oh, kayaks they handle this better than boats because they're lighter. Yeah, when it's rough and everybody got to leave, I can stay. Huh? Oh no, I'm coming to stock meat. All right. Oh, they got a tournament going on. They got a tournament going on? Okay. All right. I see him. That's all I'm doing. I went back to number one. I caught them on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then after the people left from number one, I came back over here. These fish still stacked up over here. They ain't scared of nothing. I did them when I dropped down in there. Oh! Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Man, these jokers fat. I ain't got to do nothing. Throw them in the box. Good night. I don't know why he did this. All I'm doing is just seeing how deep they is, letting that bottom line out, pitching and letting it fall in there, and they can take care of the rest. I'm using the silver with the pressure tail on the weed guard, but I was using on like this. Every time I flip it in there, I gotta be quiet. I'm weighing maybe the next 10 casts I'm gonna be out of here. It ain't gonna be no 1 o'clock. It'll be over here. I'm watching it pedal up to it. When you get to the cloud, all I do is hold tight. That's why I say I ain't gonna be messing with no fish that I gotta pump, jig, walk around, try. Man, I come over here, ice my box like I did last year, and go home. That's what I said. Solid keeper. It's that footballs, man. Another camera. In case that other camera's tripping. Top dollar with the gold fleet collar gonna eat good today. We got top dollar black bass. $16. Choppy seas, I can get them as long as they see that party of the hand tie. Lake Conroe, man, I just had to come out here and get me some table fare. See, the SK come by me talking about a tournament. Yeah, I got a tournament going on. My own tournament. Turn them into dinner. I better turn them into dinner. That's my tournament. I'm gonna turn them into dinner. High winds, man. I hope it ain't too noisy. I'm about to try to see see if I can do a voiceover. When I came back to it, they was back active again. So yeah, that's kind of what the ticket. The rocks 1 and 2. 1, 2, well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them. That's a good fish. Oh, that's no, cool. I got some. You know, when I told him to kind of come right here and jigged it and he ate it. Throw them 10 and a quarter back, you get a good 11, 12. That's just how the crappie guards work. Fish out here on every pilot. You don't. Doing, I'm pitching and letting the ball back right in the strike zone. Getting them just like that. Like I say, I'm gonna wrap it up on that football right there. It's wet up. It worked today all day. Get back with y'all on the next episode. It's noisy, but back to my old stomping grounds, man. Lake Conroe. Quick, easy limit. Leaving them biting. Nice, fat, healthy fish. Should get better all year as the winter moves on. So hopefully I got some good footage. I may have to do some voiceover, but steady action, man. They're probably on one end of the bridge to the other. You probably can get crappie. I'll hunt the bigger fish on a day when I got all day. I was probably done at about 12, 15. So that's it. Show you the fish now. Nice fat cooler full limit. A real nice crappie. One big old black bass for top dollar with the gold fleet collar. That's a wrap, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.